Kunomail 2022 is finally here, and therefore also endless design possibilities for your individual email program. Hello dear Kunomailers, and welcome to our new video. For the release of Kunomail 2022, I will guide you through your new email program. We start with the installation. Go to setting up the interface. I will show you the window display options. And then I have some general questions for you. So we go to installation first. This is our Kunomail for Windows installation window. Here you can see you can install the Kunomail and the Kunomail 2022. And today we will show you how to install Kunomail 2022. You can also choose Kunomail Plus for installation. This is the barrier-free presentation, so you have an extra large display and icons and emails are bigger than in the normal version, so you can choose this here if you decide to take Kunomail Plus for your first installation, or you can leave it at Kunomail 2022. If you want to apply existing Kunomail settings, you have to choose it here. And if you want to have more information about the actual Kunomail version, you can click here and get some information about it. So, and then you can start the installation here. If you're done with the installation, you can open your Kunomail 2022 and first you will see the trial description here. So first you have to go to Help and activate Kunomail. This is for all those who have already installed Kunomail before. So you have to install the Kunomail first. And for all others, you have a 30 days trial and then a license for Kunomail 2022 is required. So then you can switch over to the video license activation, and you can find the link in our video description. This is our new Kunomail 2022 start surface. If you watched the last video from Kunomail 2022, you will see that you can now make your own surface with the program. So you go to Surface and choose your user interface. This one is what we have now. So you can go to Advanced Settings and activate the Advanced Settings. And I will show you the video slideshow. This picture and video change is normally on 10 minutes. I have put it on 1 minute before, so I choose this now. And hide email window is on 30 seconds. I will leave the other settings like it is. So I save my settings and continue. I have to start Kunomail again to show you the dia show. So this is my new surface with the dia show I chose before, and now you can see the picture is also this one right here, and it will switch with my dia show. And I will leave the mouse here to show that it fade away after 30 seconds. In the background you see that the dia show have already switched the picture. And now we only have the dia show left in full mode. And if I move the mouse again, all my Kunomail surface is back. If you want to see more settings for your skins, you can go to our last video, create your own skins easily, and I will put the link in the video description. Your first window display should be the modern with 3 columns, and you can change it here under settings on window display, and we have 3 more window displays to choose from. Modern with 2 columns, Kunomail Classic and Extra Large Display. Here you can see a good overview of all 4 window displays. So you see the difference on one view, and Extra Large Display you can choose in the installation if you want it to be first. All standard settings of the program are retained, so everything you know from Kunomail
Welcome to your Kunomail.
The same as in Kunomail 2022, so you don't have to worry about this. We will only show you the new settings that we can make on this program. So I will jump to the general questions now. So the first question is the update upgrade free? So the update to version 2022 is completely free of charge for all Kunomail license holders. Yes, and if you don't have a license yet, you will need a license to use it with the big update. The second one, do I have to install the update, or can I continue to use my previous Kunomail version? So Kunomail and Kunomail 2022 run in parallel, so this is possible if only Kunomail 2022 is additionally activated and installed. So Kunomail 2022 installs the major update alongside the previous Kunomail version, if available. Both versions can be used in parallel. If you don't want to install the big update, just keep using your previous Kunomail. If Kunomail 2022 is to be activated as a standalone program, you have to deactivate Kunomail first, and therefore you can go to our license activation and deactivation video, I will put the link in the video description. If you already have Kunomail on your computer and want to install the Kunomail 2022 on a new computer, you have to buy an additional license first. So, next question. Will my data and settings be retained? All personal data such as emails, accounts, account settings, favorites and also the Kunomail user settings are retained and can be transferred to the new Kunomail. With this update we enable seamless continued use with your new Kunomail. So, and the last one, what will be in the update? A completely redesigned user interface with 5 different views. The representation of the user interface can be completely individually adapted and saved. I showed you the Daisho, so if you want to have a look at some other settings you can do, you can go to our video and I will show you the link in the video description. For customers with poor eyesight, we have enabled a completely enlarged display of the Kunomail user interface. This is Kunomail Plus and I showed you in the window installation window. You can choose this one if you want to have the completely enlarged display. Deleting, moving and marking as read emails now works completely without delay. The complete range of functions from your previous Kunomail will be completely adapted and revised. Many small improvements will make working with Kunomail easier for you in the future. So you can test Kunomail 2022 full and non-binding, and afterwards a license for Kunomail 2022 is required. That's it for now. So thank you for tuning in again. We wish you a lot of fun with the new update and the new version of Kunomail 2022. We're looking forward for you to tuning in again soon in our new videos. Your Kunomail team.